Massachusetts Institute of Technology History and Future. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, is a private research university located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, United States. Established in 1861, MIT has a rich history of scientific and technological innovation. The institute has played a significant role in various breakthroughs and advancements in fields such as engineering, computer science, mathematics, and the natural and social sciences. MIT has a strong emphasis on research and interdisciplinary collaboration, fostering an environment that encourages creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving. The university is renowned for its cutting-edge research facilities and the caliber of its faculty, many of whom are leading experts in their respective fields. Looking toward the future, MIT continues to prioritize its commitment to excellence in education and research. The university aims to address global challenges, including climate change, technological advancements, health, and sustainability, through its innovative research initiatives and collaborative projects. MIT strives to foster a diverse and inclusive community, promoting an entrepreneurial spirit and a culture of creativity and innovation. Through its educational programs, research endeavors, and community outreach, MIT seeks to make a positive impact on society and contribute to the advancement of knowledge and human welfare globally. Watch more university information. Like, share, subscribe.